First, we need some data. Here are my two samples that I want to compare. These data are not organised the way I need them for analysis, so what I want to do is to stack these two columns on top of each other. And perhaps let me call this column the group column. Now I want to perform the analysis, which I do by launching the fit y by x platform. So group is my x variable and the data are my y. Let me first just look at the means. You can see that product 2 has got a mean of just under 14, whereas product 1 has got a mean just above 8. So now let's perform the t-test. Now be careful here because there's a menu option called t-test. And that is not what we want. That's a special test in the case where we assume that each group has got a separate standard deviation, whereas for the standard test we assume they have the same standard deviation. That has the advantage we can pull all of the data together and it improves the estimates that we get. So we want to do a pooled t-test and you'll find the option here. It's a somewhat cumbersome name. It's indicating the different types of output that we're going to get. So we have means, analysis of variance, as well as the pooled t-test. So here are the means, and this is the analysis of variance, and this is the t-test. It's the t-test that we're interested in, so I'm going to close the other reports. You can see that this output has got two columns. The difference between the means for the two samples is 5.56, and that estimate has got a standard error of 3.579. And the t-statistic is just the ratio of these two numbers. And here is the associated p-value for the test. So for our example, at the threshold of 0.05, the difference in the means is not statistically significant. And finally, if you know in advance you want to perform a one-sided t-test, then you can find the associated p-values here. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please let me know by giving it a like. Thanks so much. Bye for now.